I want to thank everybody for watching Crypto Revolution. We talk about everything crypto almost daily, jumping right into the market. Today in crypto, Bitcoin. What happened to the weekly candle? You guys, where'd it go? Dude, are you serious? So Bitcoin price action, you see this wick, sometimes it's called a shadow because it means that the price action traveled all the way up to this level, 28,145, and it's now retraced all the way down to, you see the red solid candle body. Now it's down at $26,098. What we've got here is a bearish retest of the 200 simple weekly moving average and that lower trend line of the rising channel that broke to the downside right here. Not amazing. Kiss of death. I mean, the bulls have to hold this weekly support level right here, 25,900. It's really a range. It goes down to about 25,700. Otherwise, you could see move a lot lower out of Bitcoin. So the daily chart, yesterday, I talked about the bulls must show up here, regain the 200 simple because they had just lost it and they hadn't closed yet. This candle, it closed, and now you've seen this next candle close under. See all this previous price action. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 days of price action. This solid red candle, strong red candle, and now you got a green candle, but it's stuck at this previous support, which is now resistance. So we want to see this level regained. Otherwise, you could see a move down here to 25,000 key support, 25,200, right? You lose that level, and again, 23,723 comes quickly. This is the Bitcoin 1 hour chart. So what you had was, and I clarified in this in group that, hey, this is a news pump. They're hard to trade. I mean, I literally saw YouTubers opening up trades based on the news before it even pumped, right? So you have this SEC loses a court case against Grayscale, Bitcoin Trust, and then the price action completely sold off. I've got some news that would explain the downside. Again, key support level, which has been holding, is still key support. Is a Bitcoin 1 hour chart, completely gave back all the gains that we saw. How do we get from point A to point B? I want you to focus on the future. In this market, up only, right? You got to get there. Now, this is in April, right? 2 to 4 months before that, we could see the halving run up start. In the past, we've seen it happen 2 to 4 months before. But will we see some downside? The most important thing I want to see. So even on a retrace, if you do see this double top confirmed, you get a move down to 20,000. It's still a bullish idea. This low back here was $15,000. So it's a higher low. It means traders are willing to settle up at a higher price than previously. Double bottom still could be a bullish idea, or you just run into the halving only. So very important to pay attention to this price action over the next few months. And I'll keep you updated on a regular basis. I've got some amazing shout outs to give in my trading group. I'll show you. I need to quit my job. This market's getting too easy to trade. What a great day of trading. I can't wait for tomorrow. Easy money. Right now, things are going up and down again. Great trading week. When you trade the market both ways, it doesn't matter which direction the market moves. Shout out to everybody in my leverage trading group, 658 people right now. There's a $200 discount if you join for the year, leverage 200, go to cryptorev.net, or $100 off 6 months. Put in leverage 100 when you check out. Or you can send me an email, cryptobitcoinchris@gmail.com if you have any questions. But the point is this, we're making money here, right here. 207%, 99%, 88%, 78%, this is 143%, 78, 70, long, short, long, short, long, short, long, short. Doesn't matter. And then it's just follow the leader. Like we're posting these setups, constant updates, live streams, follow the leader. Cyber was a new coin added to Binance. Spot Group nailed 125% profits to the upside, no leverage. This was a short of the same setup idea. after it topped out, 143%. Like, it's crazy to see. We're doing amazing. People right here are making a ton of money and making things happen. They adjusted to what the market's giving them. Okay, can't trade on KuCoin in the United States anymore. So we're just going to nail it on MEXC, make a MEXC account, use the VIP link in the description. Best exchange by far. More altcoins than ever on any other exchanges. Crazy. And they're coming right off the dexes. So you got a lot of super, super small caps. Again, banger after banger after banger. I got a bunch of news to talk to you about in just a second, so let's get to that. But first, on Twitter, I posted, this is not amazing. So we had this long uptrend, break down with volume, and then you came back and you bearishly retested the trend line, the weekly 200 SMA, and the daily 200 SMA, all at the same time on that last push higher. You don't hold this support down here, you're coming 20,000. Amazing thing about this is, I'm going to go over some of these market caps for the top 100 cryptos. They're so cheap right now. Like, it's crazy. You go down here and you're seeing ADA as $9 billion market cap. Still large cap, but I like ADA bull market. You come down here into the Uniswap, and we got Uniswap news to talk about, 2.5 billion. So these coins, LDO, I like LDO, 1.39 billion. These coins are going to 20x. Down here, get to like the top 30, top 40, top 50 coins, 651 million EOS. EOS is a dinosaur coin. It's been around forever, and I can't believe it's still alive. And will we see the metaverse coins banging? Yes, I'm looking for it. INJ, FTM, Mana, $550 million market cap, right? Even though these are large cap, they're heavier coins, like these are easy 20x coins. SNX, I like SNX. Rune's always solid. RNDR is on my list, my watch list for the group. AI coin, $500 million market cap. Again, but these coins are so cheap compared to what they were. Meme coins. We're gonna have a meme coin season. People are gonna argue to death about top coins in crypto based on their use cases, back and forth about interoperability, and then the meme coins run, and everybody's looking crazy because what meme coins in the top 10? Oh, Dogecoin, SHIB is top 15 coin. Had 2 meme coins up there. You could build a case that SHIB has some ideas of some use cases coming, but Doge, complete meme coin, right? So again, just looking at these coins, it's like, man, I'm so excited for what's about to happen over the next 2 years. Easiest money you've ever seen made is coming. Yes, all of the spot Bitcoin ETFs were delayed. All of them. So that hype is gone for now until October, I think. The SEC, they delayed until October, making a decision on all the spot Bitcoin exchange traded fund applications listed right here. And then they added Fidelity. That's what that is. Cross it off. It's out of the hype factor right now. But listen to this. Link is a coin that I like for the bull market. It's a larger cap coin. You know, it could still hit, you know, a good solid 20x. Your biggest bangers are going to come out of the small caps. We'll be going over those. I've got a couple listed in the group right now. But we'll be going over those in time as we get closer to the run-up mega rally Bitcoin bull market. Let's go. Ready. Chainlink and Swift. That's a big name. Swift collaboration enables seamless token transfer across blockchains. Swift and Chainlink working together. They conducted experiments in transferring tokenized value across various private and public blockchains. The collaborations aim to facilitate seamless connectivity for asset tokenization. They're using or involved with financial institutions. Chainlink financial institutions. BNY Mellon, BNP Paribas. The findings hold potential to accelerate the growth of tokenized asset markets globally. Of course, contingent upon regulatory clarity, really getting in the way in the United States. Obviously, data privacy considerations as well, but Swift used Chainlink's cross-chain interoperability to bridge different blockchains, making a significant step towards scalable tokenization. Chainlink and Swift. Lots of upside. Looking for a link. Have lots of upside in the bull market. 20x coin. Market caps, like I was talking about, are so small, tiny compared to what they will be. The reason the bull market gives so much epic upside for these altcoins is because they get crushed in the bear market. When I talk about max pain in the bear market, this is what I'm talking about. And are we there yet? Are we going to see one last downside, huge sell-off, market capitulation where people just scared that everything's going to zero and they just sell? But the thing is a lot of people quit. So if you're watching this video, you're going to win, period, because you can't teach what you have. You have staying power. Most people quit, and they're going to come back. I'll come back when the bull market starts. They're going to miss a lot of this, and they're going to FOMO back in. The market's going to take off, and they'll miss a lot of the upside. And the brand new money is going to come in, and all the platforms that have evolved to offer cryptocurrency over the last few years, I mean, you just think about it. Like, it's everywhere. You're able to buy crypto all over the place. And then institutions will start offering Bitcoin, and that's going to start a lot of things off, or definitely propel things a lot higher for Bitcoin. This is big news too. In April 2022, there was a lawsuit against Uniswap developers and investors claiming that the decentralized exchange sold unregistered securities and failed to register as an exchange or broker dealer. This person lost 10 grand buying scam tokens such as Boom Baby and Rocket Bunny, Matrix Samurai, and others. Boom Baby lost money. Imagine that. Rocket Bunny didn't moon. But the point is, the ruling, it's a victory for crypto because it clarifies how US securities laws applies to decentralized finance. So crypto lawyers can now use this case as a precedent to defend DeFi applications against similar accusations in the future. So DeFi is being understood, this article states. So big lesson for crypto policymakers and financial regulators, administration at large. If you choose to avoid the legal process, if you do not want to engage in good faith rulemaking, the courts will not bail you out. So if you don't want to make clear cut rules for crypto in this market, everything falls on these courts, and this court dismissed this class action lawsuit against Uniswap. Notice the language here. They said, due to the protocol's decentralized nature, no identifiable defendant be determined. The fact that the current state of cryptocurrency regulations basically leaves them out without any recourse. The plaintiffs, they were suing Uniswap for the scam tokens, rug pulls, etc. So those will continue. The court dismisses their complaint in full. Winner for DeFi, Uniswap. So again, this is huge because precedent. XRP set a precedent in court, even though the SEC is going to drag them back through court again. XRP won, Uniswap won. Courts are going to start making the rules because you'll have all these precedents in place. So now what are you going to do, SEC? I think we're going to see a huge paradigm shift with regulations where most of these cryptos really belong under the classification as commodities. 70% of these coins are going to be reclassified as commodities. The CFTC will take over supervision of the commodities and crypto as a whole. The SEC will be left with the 30% that are potentially still unregistered securities, and they just can't be traded in the United States, and we won't be able to trade them in the US. If they are traded, then you'll be dealing with a bunch of SEC nonsense. So that's where we're at. But again, huge upside in the bull market. These even though, okay, yeah, all the spot ETFs are put off. It's going to happen. Running out of excuses. Said, hey, well, we can't track the SEC said, hey, we can't track where the coin's coming from. And then they all refiled. BlackRock said, we're going to use Coinbase. Coinbase is going to track all the coins. Quite a few of these, I believe all of these spot ETFs are going to use Coinbase. Coming. I mean, what are they going to say? No, because what? You can have futures ETFs, no problem. So what's the difference between Bitcoin are actually physically bought and held or not? So what else besides, I mean, security, they could build that case, but if Coinbase reinvents itself and is tracking all the Bitcoin, this is going to happen. So we have a ton of upside. I'm super excited about what's going to happen over the next 2 years. The easiest money you've ever made in crypto. Just got to make it point A to point B. Get another low put in. We want to see a higher low. That would be a bullish idea for a long-term upside. Like the content that I provide on a daily basis, be sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment in the comment box. Thanks so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow.